Today we'll briefly demonstrate how to create a work order within HeyPros. The first step is to navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click Work Orders. From here, in order to create a new work order, we need to click the plus symbol in the top right-hand corner. When hovered over, it says New Work Order. From there, we'll begin to fill out first which type of job offer this work order is going to be. The first option is Allow Offers. This allows your subcontractors to place bids on a work order. Instant Book allows the first contractor to place an offer for your asking price to be able to book the job. And Firm on Price allows you to set a firm price and then choose from which subcontractors place offers to decide which one you want to book the job for. So for today, we're going to go ahead and select Allow Offers. From there, you'll be prompted to select which location or group. If you only have one location or group, you'll just click whatever your default is. From there, we'll want to title our work order. Assign a work order number. Assign a working category for our work order. You can only assign one category to a work order. A start date and a finish date for our work order. Since we chose the bidding option, this field is going to say starting price. If you chose Instant Book or Firm on Price, it will simply just say price. We'll type in a description. And then you'll enter in the physical address. When your subcontractors first see the job, they will not see the exact address. They will see a general area for the job. When they are actually booked for the work order, then they will see the exact location. From there, we can choose to upload documents or images if we have any to share with our subcontractor. And if you have an integration with our CompanyCam partnership, you can go ahead and toggle this switch to integrate your work order with CompanyCam. Once you're done, all you have to do is click Continue. And from there, it'll prompt you to publish the work order to your subcontractors. You can either click to select specific subcontractors to send the work order to. You can dispatch it to everyone within that category of job that you assign the work order. You can publish to everyone in the location you chose the work order to be in, or you can choose to publish to all of your subcontractors regardless of any of these other categorizations. For today, we're going to go ahead and publish to everyone. It'll tell you that every contractor will be able to see this work order. We will click yes, and we're done. We have created a new work order.